Hi, I'm Deepti and I wanted to share my experience. I always used to love playing with makeup when I was a child, but that dream just faded away as I grew up. I was working for an IT company and taking care of my family, my 8-year-old daughter. I never thought that I'll be able to pursue my career again in the with makeup industry. But then one day I saw Lakme Academy's ad in my city, and then I thought of visiting the center once. After visiting the center, I just loved the fun learning environment out here. Then I immediately joined Lakme, and I just felt blessed to have such amazingly talented mentors here who not only taught us the techniques but also they taught us how to understand the client's personality, their comfort level with the kind of look that we are planning for them, and also their skin type, their hair type. So it was like an in-depth knowledge which helped us gain so much of confidence in makeup industry. From last 9 months, I'm freelancing. I have worked with few calendar shoots, few magazine shoots and few other big brands. Also, I have worked with a few bridals and I'm happily pursuing my career. It's all because of Lakme Academy. I'm really thankful from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.